Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix face authentication problem in Poppo Live. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we dive in and fix the issue, we need to understand why this happens. So face authentication in Poppo Live is used for identity verification, host applications, or even security checks. So if it fails, it's usually because a few of these reasons. So poor lighting or blurry camera, face not centered or partially covered, outdated app, server or network errors, or account data mismatch. So now in order to fix these, so fix number one is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So make sure you're using your Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong and stable. Now if you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch over to your mobile data or vice versa. A weak network can interrupt Poppo's verification upload process. Now fix number three is to go ahead and update the Poppo Live app. So head over to your Player App Store and search for Poppo Live, or you can just click and hold down Poppo Live, click on the eye, scroll down, click on App Details and Store. If it says Update, go ahead and update the application. If it says Open, you've already got the latest version installed. Now, fix number three is to go ahead and clean your camera lens and use good lighting. So wipe your front camera before starting, sit in a bright, evenly lit area, avoid backlighting or shadows. Make sure your whole face is visible and centered on screen. Now, while you're there, if you're wearing any accessories like hats, glasses, mask, or heavy makeup, go ahead and remove that. Keep your face natural so Poppo system can detect your facial features properly. Also, you want to go ahead and check your camera permissions as well. So click down, hold on Poppo Live, and then click on the eye. Where it says permissions, make sure camera is allowed, so allow only while using the app. Another fix we can try is to click and hold down Poppo Live again, get in the app info, scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache. Now, if none of those fixes work, you might need to go ahead and contact Poppo Live support. So just basically explain your issue and even attach screenshots or screen recording of the error, and Poppo's support team can manually review and reset your face authentication process if needed.